Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically backup photos to Google Photos. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Photos. Once you open, click on your profile picture on the top right. From here, you need to click on Photo Setting. And here you can see an option of backup. You simply need to turn this feature on from here. And in the bottom, you see some settings, backup quality. So you want in storage saver or original quality. If you want in original quality, here you can see that there is no change in the quality, so I want in the original quality. Okay, and here you can see mobile data usage. So if you want to use mobile data, you simply need to turn on this feature, but I want to save on Wi-Fi, so I do not turn on this feature. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.